Look at your skin. It is unique. It is our legacy. Sometimes our skin gets hurt because life is what it is. And when we live to the fullest, it can scare you, itch, hurt, leave marks. And it's in those moments that we must take good care of our skin. Our skin is like a book to be preserved. A book where all our memories are written. It's these memories that make us who we are, that inspired the new face of Cicabio. Life will take center stage, life and its memories. Our commitment will be stronger, with the promise of getting skin back to its original state. Same color, same thickness, same sensitivity. The promise of a memory that transcends the scars. The promise of an eco-biological range of products adapted to the needs of damaged skin, inspired by life and the skin's natural healing cycle. The guarantee of immediate relief and healing without fear, itch, pain, or marks. The guarantee of pleasant textures that are easy to use on a daily basis, and a clinical proven efficacy to meet the expectations of patients and healthcare professionals. Look at your skin. It is also unique because it is full of memories. You could write the rest of the story. So don't be afraid to live and don't be afraid to dare. Cicabio. Keep the memories, not the scars.